So this is going to be a quick video on changing the insulin carb ratio delivery settings for the Omnipod Dash, since it seems to come up occasionally. So here's my Dash PDM. See, as you can see right now, I have like 5 units on board. But anyway, you don't need to see my password. So. Here's how you actually modify this. Go here over to the hamburger. And you scroll down and you'll see under settings, bolus. You scroll down a little bit more, see insulin to carb ratio. Now, if you have a program already set up for your insulin to carb ratio, you can just hit next. If you don't have one yet, you have to actually create it. See, now this is my setup. Now, if you want to modify anything in here, like if you're an endocrinologist, nephrologist, whatever tells you to modify something, you press the one you want to actually change, and you're going to change whatever the coverage amount is to what was suggested. Now, I don't need to actually change anything on mine. But once you make that change, actually here, I'm going to actually change it just so you can see. So you press next. And it'll take you through whatever other ones you have listed till you finish. And once you finish, you would actually press save. And once you hit save, that would be your setup now. I didn't actually have to change anything, so mine I don't have to save. The save stayed grayed out. But that's how you actually change it for whenever your nephrologist, endocrinologist tells you to change something there. So I hope that helps somebody. And if you need to actually ask any more questions, feel free to ask me. And if you want to visit my YouTube channel, if you feel like visiting my YouTube channel, it is under Xanscorp, Xanscorp. And I have a couple for Medtronics on there, as well as for Omnipod. So, well, the Omnipod Dash, to be specific. So, peace.